just another day in the animals' headquarters. And today we join our heroes. Whoa! What the Wait, who is that? What is that? It's a fox. Oh no, it's Mr. Fox! And he's got Mrs. Hen! This looks like a job for the mental cop with the power to read minds. Oh no, it's reading my mind right now! The fast! With the ability to run fast! Believe it or not, it's actually walking. Fast! The best! Yeah! And together, they form the animals! Yeah! You're ready. Best minute smokes.